John from the Instructional Technology team, and I want to talk to you briefly about screen sharing, which is one of the 3 modes of connecting to your content using an IFP. To begin doing this, I've got my IFP and I also have my Surface Book 3 laptop in tablet mode. You don't have to have it in tablet mode, but this is suggested because the main function of screen mirroring is for classroom teacher mobility, so that you can be out and amongst your students while presenting content, so that you can maybe think about sharing your students' content to the panel wirelessly, either through your camera app on here or when your students connect to Screen Mirror themselves. To begin doing this on a panel, I'm going to go ahead and click into Screen Share, which opens an application called Screen Mirror. Screen Mirroring is an application that you can download from our district software center on your laptop. If you don't have it, you might consider pausing this video and getting that application now. But to begin, when you join a screen share session or a smart mirror session, students can join from this website, but teachers are recommended to use that app that I just had you download and use the session ID to get in. So I've launched the app on my device and I'm going to click connect and choose high quality and share my screen to the panel. Once I see my name up here, I know that I am making a connection between my laptop and the panel, and when I click into my name, I can invite myself to present. All right, permission is given on this side of things, and now my screen content is shared to the screen. There's a menu button that floats on the bottom left side, and if I want to go back home to my smart mirror session that is launched, I can do so. And I do want to go back home right now because I forgot to mention one very important thing, and that is when you first launch Smart Mirror on any panel, whether it be from the public profile or from your personal profile signed in, you'll want to go to the Smart Mirror settings and choose Session Management to turn on a feature called Moderator Mode. I already have Moderator Mode set on this panel, and what that allows is for me, the teacher, to approve anybody that wants to present to this panel to present to the panel. Now that you have that turned on, go ahead and exit out of your settings, and I'm going to ask my colleague to present her screen up here as well so I can show off a feature called Grid View. Grid View is where you can show up to 4 screens at one time on this panel and quickly pop into any of those presentations that you want to at any point in time. So I have 2 people connected to my panel right now. I'm going to select Grid View and invite these presenters to the grid. Once I've invited them, they can say share their screen, and we have 2 separate screens in action on our panel right now. All right, I can enlarge either of those screens to go full screen, and I can also then minimize those and come back and enlarge the second screen. This is useful if you've got students working in groups and you want to see what each group is doing all at one time. You might consider launching a Smart Mirror session and having one of the students from the groups share their screen. You also can write on the panel when you're in Screen Mirror mode simply by clicking the pause button on the left-hand side of the screen. You can pick up a pen to annotate on a V3 panel. This creates what's called an overlay. An overlay can either be saved as a picture or discarded because you no longer have a use for it. This has been Smart Mirroring. I challenge you to explore and connect your laptop to Smart Mirror using an IFP to wirelessly present your content to students. Have a great day.